Let's review this generator. So you got the power panel right here, coil manual start, air cleaner, and last you have a little over 7.5 gallons of fuel. Hello everyone, we are going to be unboxing the Champion generator here today. This is a, I don't know, they call it a 11 kilowatt or a 9200 kilowatt Champion that we bought from Tractor Supply. So I'm just going to take you with me as we get this up and running and do a demonstration. So we'll get this all unboxed here. Wheel it pretty easily around the shop, but I think it's time that we take this off the cart and the casters and set this down on the ground and open. So we ended up going with the Champion on this generator. A couple different things that I looked up, and I picked this one. Just some things on here. Electric start. It's got a 5-mode digital meter that we'll see as well. Cold weather start. Where we are at, this is highly desirable. I just want to show you the receptacles on this. You can see the 50 amp, 30 amp. It's got 220 amps. Portable generator. As you can see, we are portable now, and we're going to be using the wheels, and we'll show you how easy it is to move this around here shortly. Also, just a wattage reference guide. Look at some of these things that we would like to power up. Refrigerator, water heater up at 4,000. So these are some good numbers for your consideration just on tools. How to unbox your generator. Then we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now for the fun part of the unboxing. Okay, let's get a close-up view. And we'll dig into our accessory kit next. All right. We got the wheels. We have a funnel. We got some hardware and spindles. And 10W30 oil. Have the handle. And some more wheels. Okay, let's review this generator. So you got the power panel right here. Underneath that, you have your battery for electric start, and we'll hook up the leads here shortly. You have the oil filler cap. You come over here and you will see the recoil manual start. Air cleaner. Also you have your fuel on and off. And also you have your choke for starting. Choke lever right up here above the air cleaner. And last, you have a little over 7.5 gallons of fuel you can put in the fuel tank. So after opening up the box and the accessory kit, it's very easy to assemble. Just 3 things. Number 1, the wheels with the spindles and the R-shaped pin clips. Second thing, this handle-looking leg is the feet. And we just have 2 bolts for that. And then lastly, you have your screws for the battery terminals. So those are the 3 things: wheels, leg, and then the battery. And we'll be ready to put fuel in. So then just carefully Keep your generator backwards onto the cardboard. Slide the wheel in position and the spindle. And then lastly, take your R clip and snap it in. And the next thing, we'll put the foot on. And since we got it tipped up this way, just line up your leg with the holes and the 2 screws and flip it back down again. And lastly, we're going to, actually second to lastly, we're going to add the oil. And then lastly, we'll add the unleaded fuel. But we'll unscrew the filler stick here, put in the funnel, and then with the included oil, you have the 1.1 liters. And we're just going to add the whole thing. Also, you'll be able to give a visual inspection in here. It should be just coming up to the bottom of the screws. And I'll show you the inside oil level there. You can see it's just coming up to the bottom of the threads here. All right, the last step is to add some fuel. You can add 87, 91. So this has 7 gallons that we're going to put in here. Okay, so we'll come over here, make sure the fuel line is open, turn the choke over, and we have the start button.